Hi, I'm Frankie Craig, and this is my update for June 2022. This month of June in the Northern Hemisphere will be building its momentum as we move towards the Summer Solstice on the 21st and 22nd of June. Summer Solstice marks the longest hours of daylight as the sun reaches its peak in the sky. There are themes of rejoice, renewal, and replenishment. It's a special time to celebrate the abundance of life because nature is ripe and flourishing with offerings of life and beauty for which we are so grateful for. Likewise, nature holds up a mirror for us to celebrate our own personal ripening and our abundance and blessings. The energy of the sun is a power source, and when you consciously connect with the sun, it can give your creativity a major boost. Summer is a powerful time of year, and it gives us the natural opportunity to tune into our own power centers, the sacral and the solar plexus chakras. Our solar plexus chakra is traditionally viewed as the home of our power and is closely associated with the sun. We also have creative power from our sacral chakra, especially those of us with a uterus. So to support these chakras, it's really important to make sure that the preceding and following chakras are also balanced and happy. So making sure that we're practicing with our grounding to support our base or root chakra, and also tuning into the heart, which will help us to exercise our personal power in a compassionate way. The beauty of the sun is that it is wherever you are. So you can just go outside and feel it. No traveling or fancy celebrations or flowing robes are necessary. You have what you need and the power to make the choice to sit still for a while and open to the wisdom of the sun. Be present and go inward with this energy this month, because the solstice is when divine cosmic energy can help you elevate your consciousness in the most profound ways. I invite you to try this exercise and see what flows. So first, go find a space in nature and begin to invite present moment awareness. Beginning to tune into your breath, let go of your day so far, let go of all your to-do lists, and just witness the mind, observe your surroundings. And when you are feeling more centered, begin to tune into the energy of our sun. And as you do this, witness any thoughts and feelings that may arise. And then as you connect with the sun, ask for creative inspiration and guidance. Thank the sun. The sun is something that we often take for granted. Take a moment to offer your gratitude for its presence and what it does for all of life each day. I invite you to do this once a day this month and see what flows. It is time to identify with your highest nature, a time for regeneration and adaptability, to let go of stuck attitude and seek inner and outer freedom, to open your heart and be spontaneous and creative and live as a free spirit in action. Take full advantage of the energies of the season by allowing time for stillness, solitude, reflection, appreciation, and most of all, fun. I'm wishing you solstice blessings.